One more time, the Sahara chief Subrata Roy has not been granted bail. He will remain in jail for now. This even though he has been in jail for the past 4 months. The Supreme Court has refused to grant bail to Sahara chief Subrata Roy, who has been held in Delhi's Tihar jail since March 4th. The top court has said it will help facilitate negotiations for Sahara to sell properties in India and abroad.
Was also a prayer made by Ms. Subrata Roy Sahara, stating that he may be let out to negotiate for these properties. The court has given liberty to the group, stating that if there is any concrete proposal that is furnished before the court, the Supreme Court would then, at an appropriate stage, consider the proposal and would also see if the same prayer can be granted.
Roy has sought the release for 40 days to finalize the sale deal of 3 overseas hotels. Sahara has been struggling to raise 10,000 crores to secure bail for its chief. Subrata Roy has been held in jail for over 4 months for failure of 2 Sahara Group companies to comply with the Supreme Court's order. He has failed to return 24,000 crores to investors. The Apex Court had asked Sahara to furnish 10,000 crores as bail for its chief. Sahara's earlier proposals too have been rejected.
An intervention application was moved before the Honorable Supreme Court asking for permission to remove the embargo in relation to the 3 properties abroad. The Supreme Court today has allowed the Sahara Group and has removed the embargo on these properties, and the group has been allowed to enter into negotiations for sale, mortgaging or leveraging these properties to pay the amount as directed by the Honorable Supreme Court. The proceeds after the transaction would first be adjusted towards the loan amount from the Bank of China. After that, the remainder amount would be deposited in the account of SEBI, and if there is any further amount remaining, it would be deposited in a separate account.
Powered by NNIS.